Today we're going to learn how to create gears in FreeCAD using the Gears Workbench. This is a great tool if you're designing mechanical projects or 3D printed mechanisms, so let's walk through the full process from the beginning. When you first open FreeCAD, start by switching to the Part Design Workbench. Make sure you have an active body in the model tree. FreeCAD needs that to turn your gear into a proper solid later. Before making any gears, we need to install the correct workbench. Go to the top menu, open Tools, and select Add-on Manager. A new window will appear with a search bar. Type in Gear, and you'll see a workbench called FreeCAD.Gears. That's the one we need. Click on it and install it. Once it's done, close the Add-on Manager. Now open the drop-down that lists your workbenches, and you'll notice a new one called Gears. Select it to switch into this workbench. Inside the Gears workbench, you'll see several icons for different gear types. For this tutorial, choose the Involute Gear option. It's usually the first icon, and also the simplest one to start with. When you click it, FreeCAD automatically creates a default gear for you. Select the gear in the model tree, and look at the Data tab below. Here you can modify all the important parameters. You can adjust the module, which controls the tooth size, the number of teeth, and the height of the gear. These three settings already give you a lot of control. To make the gear helical, scroll further down until you find the helical section. Inside it, there's a parameter called beta. This is the helix angle. Increasing this angle gives the gear that smooth, angled tooth shape. For many projects, something around 40 degrees is a solid starting point, but you can choose any value your design requires. Right below beta, you'll see a checkbox for double helix. Enabling this will create a double helical gear, which looks like two mirrored helices meeting in the center. This type of gear reduces axial load and looks really cool in 3D prints. Once you've customized your gear, there's one more important step. Drag the gear object into your body in the model tree. This turns it from a parametric shape into a solid feature that you can edit using part design tools. From here, you can add extra details. You might want to sketch a hole in the center for a motor shaft, or maybe attach a hub or mounting structure. Just click the top face of the gear, create a new sketch, draw your profile, and pad or pocket it as needed. And that's the entire process for making helical gears in FreeCAD, from installing the workbench to customizing angles and creating solid geometry ready for printing or machining. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.